Hi, this is Kyle Z with In Session Audio, and in this video I'll give you an overview of the triple play engine by using Fluid Strike to build this sound from scratch. If you're familiar with our Fluid Harmonics library, then you'll know that the triple play engine has been designed with a feature set not found in any other contact-based library. It allows you to select and play 3 sound sources at the same time, arpeggiate the sounds with independent patterns, rates, and playback modes, shape and affect the 3 sound sources independent of one another, select any effect directly from the interface, and swap their positions on the fly. And vitally important, particularly when you're stacking acoustic instruments, the humanize settings affect each layer independently to create a more lifelike performance. Let's implement all of these features one by building a patch from scratch. The initial patch has the balafone played with rubber mallets loaded by default. Let's go ahead and use it. We'll go over to the triple play page by clicking triple play, and we'll activate the arpeggiator. I'll use some of the preset buttons to quickly create a rhythm. Next, I'm going to link this into the humanization settings. The change is very subtle, but as you stack other instruments, it really helps open up the sound by, amongst other things, not having everything start at precisely the same time. You can hear it more if I adjust the timing knob. Okay, on to layer B. Let's load the large music box. I'll link it into the humanization settings, and I want to put a little bit of chorus on this, which I can do by going to the modulation effect category, which also contains the flanger and phaser. And I'll just use the natural stereo 1 preset. I also want to put a delay on this sound, which I can do by selecting the space effect category in another slot. I'll use the dotted eighth pan preset. And although it doesn't make a huge impact on the sound in this case, if I later decided I'd rather have the chorus come after the delay, I can just press the swap button and now the delay is first. And if you'd like to add an effect between the two, just press swap again with one of the empty slots and select another effect category. This is another feature unique to the triple play engine. Finally, I want to transpose this sample set up an octave. As I adjust the transposition knob 12 steps, you'll notice the colors on the keyboard adjust as well. The color in the middle of the keyboard shows you the natural range of the instrument of the currently selected layer. Of course, you can play above and below these ranges. Let's head back to the triple play page, activate the ARP, and for this one, I'm going to change the mode to up, adjust the rate to 8 notes, and for this pattern, we'll just use 8 steps. At this point, I'll go to the Master Effects section to add some global delay and a short and long reverb. You can change the settings for any of these in the Send Effects area. Okay, let's add a synth sound to layer C. There are 120 different synth sounds you can load, and frankly, we've put a lot into the design of these sounds as well. I'm going to select Bel Air. And to get something going quickly, I'll just copy the pattern from layer A and paste it in. I'll make this 32 steps long, and I'll slide it over a couple of steps so that the peaks and troughs between this sound and the balafone are offset. Using the pitch table, I'll add a few octave shifts within the pattern. And I also want the sound to pan left to right. I'll use the triangle shape preset and then reverse it. And I'll modify it a bit further so it doesn't go too hard to the left or right. And just so you can see the option, I'll set this pattern's playback direction to run backwards. I hope you've enjoyed what you've heard and seen. If you would like to hear more sounds from Fluid Strike, be sure to check out the video titled Mega 30 Patch Demo. Thanks a lot for watching.